Think Quizlet is enough for exam prep? Not really. Most of its advanced features, like AI-generated questions, are behind a paywall, and you still have to rely on pre-made sets. Plus, if you get a question wrong, Quizlet doesn't give detailed explanations, so you're left guessing. StudyX AI Quiz is built for efficient practice. Upload your notes, textbook pages, or any material, and you can freely choose the difficulty and language you want. Once selected, StudyX automatically generates a set of corresponding multiple-choice questions. After each quiz, you get instant feedback, and any wrong answers come with detailed explanations. No hours wasted making cards, no outdated sets. It's personalized, fast, and designed to help you learn smarter. If you want practice that actually improves your understanding, StudyX does what Quizlet can. Follow me for more smart study tools that actually work.